Chevron case was what we saw years ago, was a pendulum swing in favor of the administrative state. And now we've endured several years of that. And the problems of that position have emerged. And now the pendulum is swinging back a little bit, but not dramatically, because there's nothing about the Chevron opinion that, prevents an agency's interpretation of its rules, to be seriously considered by a court. It just doesn't allow the government to start on third base the way Chevron does. It doesn't give them the initial presumption or advantage that Chevron did, but it doesn't prevent the government from regulating or getting it right. But if they don't get it right, they shouldn't prevail. And I think this sort of clears the playing field a little bit. I don't think there may be an initial bump in the number of regulatory challenges you see because of this. But I think as this plays out, we'll return to sort of the caseload that we have now, and that you won't see regulations falling dramatically in the sense of some catastrophic event. You may see some restriction on some of the more aggressive regulations, but in terms of how the regulatory process is going to work, I don't think this is going to have a dramatic impact.